In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a KuCoin account. First is to head into your favorite browser and search for register KuCoin or sign up for KuCoin, and then click the first result that you will see. Here you have to input your email address that you're currently using in order to create or register for an account. Now click the create account and claim the reward. Now you just need to pass this verification page, and then the page will be sending a verification code into your email. So just type in the verification code and then click the submit button. Now you have to create a password or a very strong password for your account, so make sure that it is really secure. And then click the confirm button. And then click the verify now. Now as you can see, we just created a KuCoin account using our email address. And the last part is just to verify our account. Well, that's it. That's how you can create a KuCoin account, and thank you for listening.